Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers, and now I'm going to show you how to make your POCO X5 faster. So, firstly, we need to clarify a few nuances why our device is slowing down. So basically it's because your devices can't handle with the load you have put on it, or because you are not taking good care of it. So now I will talk with you about second situation. So I will show you how to keep good care of your device. So basically there are three aspects that can slow down your device's storage, is memory, and it's harmful files and apps. So the first rule you need to remember: if you want to keep your device in good fit, you need to always have 30% of free storage, or free internal storage. So open your settings, scroll down, scroll up, choose about phone here, and as you can see, here is storage. When you will fill up your memory over 70%, your device will start slowing down. So not to fill your storage over this point. I will show you where is 70% point is here. Between images and audio, here is 70% point. So not to fill your memory, your storage over this point, okay? So I suggest to you not to fill our audio point, but here is optimal filling up size. Okay, this is the first aspect. If you want to free up your memory, your storage, you need to remove unused applications, remove all downloads, you need to remove all downloaded images, photos, audio files. You can upload your photos and videos to the cloud storage. For example, you have built-in photos application. You can upload your photos and videos to the cloud storage. Just open it, click turn on backup, original quality or storage saver, and you can for free upload 15 gigabytes. Then of course you need to pay for it, but you can create any other Google account, and then you will be able to upload 15 gigabytes for free again. And when you will upload your photos and videos, you need to choose free up space, and here you will see how many space you can free up. Click free up, and great. Do it once a week and you will be happy. Great. The second aspect that can slow down your device is the lack of RAM. So memory, your temporary storage, is a limited resource like a normal internal storage. And here again, the winner one who invests in a device with more temporary storage. So all processes are running at the moment are running in RAM. All apps are running at the moment are running in RAM. And if you have a lack of RAM, so programs, applications can't normally work on your device. So I have a device with 8 gigabytes of RAM. So open about device to check how much device you have. Choose all specs, and as you can see here I have 8 gigabytes. Okay, but we can expand our RAM. Did you know about it? To do it, you need to open settings, and find here memory extension, as you can see here, memory extension. And you can extend your memory over to 5 gigabytes. So choose 5 gigabytes, for example. I suggest to use 3 gigabytes, of course, but you can extend it. For example, create additional RAM by occupying storage. Use this feature only when there is enough storage space available on your device. So if you have enough available normal internal storage, choose gigabytes, 5 gigabytes, click reboot, and let's check. So just wait for it. Okay, great. Now unlock your device, open settings, open about phone, open all specs, and now as you can see I have 8 plus 5 gigabytes. So in our case it's 13 gigabytes. So I have extended my memory to 13 gigabytes. Okay, so you can do the same to improve your system speed, your system quality. Okay, so great. And of course you need to from time to time free up your RAM. To do it, just click on the square button and click on this cross button. That's it. And the last aspect you need to do to keep your device speed is to remove all unused and unnecessary and harmful applications. For example, as you can see, I have Vim on my device, Vim from MIUI store, from Xiaomi store, and as you can see, this Vim is heavy for my device. And I need to disable it. For it, I need to open the Vim's store. Then I need to use not Vim store. Open setting. Scroll down, find here the Vims. From here, choose Vims, profile, Vims, and choose default POCO Vim. Click apply. And great. Now, as you can see, I have another launcher, not MIUI, not POCO launcher. Why? Because POCO launcher is too heavy for POCO device. So I suggest you just install the free launcher because it's very easy for system. It's very light for your system. So it's free and really light. And of course you can install beautiful icon packs for this device, and it will not put a lot on your system. So just try it. And of course the last aspect is you need from time to time clean harmful files. To do it, click on this square button. Firstly click cleaner, and here you will see cache files, obsolete files. You need to remove it too, but I have not these files. Packages and memory. Memory we can clean up in the other way, but in this way we can do it too. And for example, now I have freed up my storage from harmful files, from unused files, from old files living after removed applications. So you need to do it from time to time, once a week, twice a week. If you want, you can do it every day, but I suggest you do it once a week. Is the most optimal way to keep your device fit without any actions. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video. I hope this video was helpful for you. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.